Today's manna. Not passing judgment. Bible verses. Romans 14:1. Now him who is weak in faith receive, but not for the purpose of passing judgment on his considerations. Romans 14:2. One believes that he may eat all things, but he who is weak eats vegetables. Romans 14:3. He who eats, let him not despise him who does not eat, and he who does not eat, let him not judge him who eats, for God has received him. Romans 14:4. Who are you who judge another's household servant? To his own master he stands or falls, and he will be made to stand, for the Lord is able to make him stand. Romans 14:5. One judges one day above another, another judges every day alike. Let each be fully persuaded in his own mind. Words of ministry. In Romans 14, Paul himself was an excellent example of not passing judgment on doctrinal reasonings, for he did not express his opinion about which doctrine is right or wrong. Certainly he knew the correct doctrines about eating and about the keeping of days. Nevertheless, he did not take sides, but charged all of us to be general and not to criticize others. Let others be free to eat whatever they want and to keep whatever day they want. To them one day is holier than another, but to the ones who are stronger in faith every day is the same. We also must learn not to pass judgments on doctrinal reasonings. When people ask you about the method of baptism or the kind of water used, you should not get into a doctrinal argument. In other words, do not make a judgment on the matter. The best way to reply to doctrinal questions is to help people to turn themselves from doctrinal concepts to Christ who is our life. By nature, we are all inclined to convince others and to argue with them about our concepts. We must avoid that. Amen.